Nyam, I'll take 3, yeah. I've seen a bit because we've got food, you know what I'm saying? Food, yeah? Steve, Maggie!
Yo! Making pizza. What, did you just touch at me?
Yeah, it is.
What?
Right, so making pizza. I'm not having pizza, by the way, guys. I'm making this with my son. I'm having proper food.
What's proper? So, right, Mum, do you know what you've said?
Yeah?
Do you know how many Italians you've just upset?
I'm not, yeah, but Italians didn't cook this one. We are.
What?
So, I'm spreading tomato and beers.
I'm spreading tomato puree first. Right.
Why, does that make it stick to it properly?
I don't know, no, because I think it's going to make it more tomatoey.
Yeah.
How much? Why does that one get to be so saucy? Whose is that?
Jeremiah's. So, on Jeremiah's, I'm going to put salami. I think it's chorizo, more salami, and everything like that around it, yeah?
And
So first, I'm going to put some, God, where you got this? Mozzarella?
I don't know if Jay likes mozzarella, but yeah.
Oh, that's what I'm going to put a little bit of this.
Oh,
What's that? Sun blush?
yeah.
What's
Sun
that?
dried.
I mean, I'm going to put 2 pieces of salt because I don't think Josiah would like that. JJ would like that, wouldn't you?
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to go with grated cheese. Like this. Oh, look
I'm
at
going to put
that.
some cheese on as well, Misha.
Here, look. I did my proper, as in.
About
What? Why are you doing it that way?
I want to.
Extra.
Why would we not extra?
That's the proper way.
No, because, yeah, I do prefer to put these underneath. Why is it the proper way? Is there a proper way of doing pizza?
I don't know. Is there a proper way of doing pizza? Let us know. Mum, look at my hair. Looks sick, doesn't it? Look what I've done. I love sun dried tomatoes. Right, so. Wait, so I'm getting some chicken though, innit?
Yeah, of course you are. Made it for all of us.
See, I don't have none of that. I'm having.
Yeah, you have a pizza, a bit of pizza, aren't you? Will you
No, I'm eating all the pizza.
Oh, yeah.
What about the meat? Look.
See, like, I'll put all the meat on first, look. And then,
Oh my god.
I'm going to sprinkle the cheese on top.
I look like I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, what is that, Mish? No, seriously, what is it?
Prosciutto. Oh, Mom.
Yeah,
I don't know if that looks appetising or not.
it does.
I don't know if it does
Oh,
actually.
hey, it's all in the tasting pan. Right there, that's my pizza done. And then, yeah,
Oh,
I think
no.
mine's done. Is that how you with yours? Why are you trying to make it like a flower? Eh?
Mine just looks legit, fam.
Yeah.
Wait.
Where's mine? That's just JJ. But like I said to you, I'm having chicken. Sweet chili chicken. You'll see it's eating it in a minute anyway. Green bananas. Saltfish. Saltfish fritters and what's that spaghetti called, Misha?
Tagliatelle.
And tagliatelle.
What's that spaghetti called?
Is it not spaghetti?
No.
What is it? Tagliatelle?
Yeah.
Sorry. Should I say pasta?
No, you just said tagliatelle.
So JJ, I'm making you a pizza.
What, that's mine?
Yes, darling. Would you like any more of this meat on
What, are
it?
you recording it?
Yeah. Would you like any more meat on that?
What is it?
You've got pepperoni, salami, everything. Do you want any more meat on top?
Um,
You
What's
choose.
that?
What choose? That's what you call it?
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto. What's
Yes.
that on, is it?
what? What's
Just with that.
prosciutto?
It's like a
Yes.
hands.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
Can't even lie, mine looks the best.
it wasn't a competition.
Oh. Wait.
You're gonna. Are we going now?
I'm just gonna have a little bit of seasoning.
So, and that's
A little bit of Italian seasoning in there. Look, oh, look at that.
And Josiah, we're
tell me
coming down and making himself because he just would be able to eat the meat. But there, look at that, beautiful. we'll put that in the oven for JJ. And we will see you.
Wait. You got to see mine first.
Look at that, loaded.
Look at
Loaded.
that.
That's a loaded pizza.
What compared to... What's that? How do you separate the meat?
Yeah, that's how I wanted it. I wanted it cooked.
No, I'm saying there's 2 slices of meat there.
I know, but that don't matter, does it?
Oh, dear. Save my cheese.
So, we'll see you in a bit then, sweets. Mwah.
Wow!
Really be
No betters on our faces. No betters on our faces. Wait, no. We are back. I did it wrong. It's okay. So...
Are you alright, Misha?
Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, no. It said it won't save.
Why?
It's okay. It's alright. I've sorted it.
Doesn't matter because that won't be going on here anyway.
What won't?
Right, what you just on?
What won't? It will. I'll do what I want. I'm joking. So,
No filters on our
I've already done it. I've already done that. Okay. So what you got for eats, Mum?
So, I've got some saltfish fritters.
Yeah, what else?
Can you wait?
Oh, sorry.
Some sweet
Shaka.
chili chicken. And obviously,
Some tagliatelle.
this is what I wanted to do. Got no sauce, this and that. We're trying to cut down all that stuff.
I ain't. I've got homemade pizza. Check that.
Oh, I've got some green banana, which I boiled in the skin, right? Because it's so easier to peel.
This is my masterpiece. Sit on here.
Masterpiece,
Wait.
my ass.
Wow! So on here we have mushrooms, chestnut.
I think you've always done that, haven't you?
No, I'm telling them again. Chestnut mushrooms, some prosciutto, I think it is. Some mozzarella, some spicy chorizo, some cheddar, obviously, and topped off with a bit of Italian seasoning and some spring onion.
But yeah, she wants my chicken when I was cooking it. That's what she wanted.
Oh, and I got sun-dried tomatoes. And yeah, I am using scissors. Don't at me.
Why are you using scissors, Misha?
Cut it.
Why?
I do what I want.
That's ridiculous.
Why is it
It's not
ridiculous?
paper.
Yeah.
So
No,
green
it's
bananas, guys.
homemade, crispy base.
Can I finish what I was saying? Green bananas is easier to cook it in the skin because it's easier to peel after. And green bananas is good for you. Love it. So, we're going to take some out lovely chicken, Misha. And you can eat your pizza. Like what we love.
This pizza's really nice. It's salty.
Why? That's what I mean about pizza. It's got the salt content.
No, but it's homemade.
Yeah, but it's all the meats that you put on, isn't
I'm
it?
putting that there because it's annoying me. Yeah, I know. I shouldn't add all the meats.
So today, we're talking about childhood games. And me and Misha might have a go. Because everything that we ordered didn't come in time.
You didn't know.
So, has anybody played these? I don't go again.
Crackers.
Yeah. We're going to play the bed. Show them with us, Misha. Can you reach over?
This pizza's good, you know. The pizza's good. Got Jack's.
Yeah?
What's his name?
That was my favourite at school, not gonna lie.
The classic playground game of skill and fun.
Yeah.
And
A broken nail, folks. Broken nail. Tragic, man.
what's that got to do with my game? And
Tiddly wings.
tiddly wings. So, should we have a quick go to bed?
Shall we? Shall we even bother? I think we should, because that's what I bought money here for. What games did you used to play when you were kids?
Yeah, innit? Let us know. Tell somebody.
Let us know when you like, subscribe, and
Follow.
follow.
Share.
And yeah, but explain to the people we should wear.
Hit the thumbs up as well. On this video, on YouTube, hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell at the side. On Facebook, make sure you like, share the vid, like the page, follow the page. Don't miss out. And you'll see now, on YouTube, Insta. If you want to follow us on Insta as well, it is Black Beauty Productions, at Black Beauty Productions. Facebook, Black Beauty Productions, and YouTube, Black Beauty Productions.
We've got so much going on, haven't we?
But you'll see, advertised is our t-shirts that was mentioned last time. Head over to Etsy and search Daisy 512. Daisy is spelled D-A-Y-Z-E-E and 512.
So,
That's not one of me, we've got more coming.
we've got loads, haven't we? I mean, how many songs have you put out so far?
I put 25 out. We've got 93. You saw that, didn't you? That, kids, is what I shouldn't speak with my mouth for. We've got 93. No, yeah, 93 altogether so far. On my little list, on our little list. Then we've got about 20. Oh no, we've got over 100 in time. We've got about 120 designs easy.
Yeah.
25 of them are already out, so you know not. Cop yourself one, yeah?
You know what I mean?
It's
Say
time
what you say.
already. Shine already, you know what I'm saying?
We've really worked hard to get where we are now, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we're going to continue to do so.
Innit?
You know what I mean? So, like I've already said, in the darkness, what you got your own fault, Mr. Why are you eating my chicken? And why are you eating my chicken?
Look, you ain't for why you eat too much chicken.
Have you been 12?
I'll stop, yeah? So
Not for your dead ass piece, I don't think.
Yeah, man.
No. Miss, what games? Well, you know what you were at school? I mean, we've done this on live already. Can you remember, did you play Kiss and Chase?
Kiss Chase, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, hide and seek, tig, duck, duck, goose.
Like, you think the kids like nowadays that play that?
No.
Why? Why do you think? Because it's different now.
Yeah, but not only that, then. There's a lot of health and safety in schools now, isn't it?
Do you think it's gone a bit over the top?
So, we used to play lob.
What's that?
It's literally where like a group you stand at one end of the playground, a group you stand at the other end of the playground, and you throw a tennis ball there.
Okay.
So
Oh, so you just lob them at them?
You used to throw the tennis ball and you used to have to catch it. No one was out or anything, it was just like, that was it.
So why do you call it lob?
Because you're lobbing the ball.
Okay. Yeah, but that's what we do with stones.
There was one tennis ball, you used to get it and throw it.
Yeah.
Like, and you used to throw it far as well. Can't remember 9, I was one of the best girl throwers, I swear to God, yeah. And you want to challenge me from school, let me know. I'll prove it to you now. I've still got good on now.
So, you're going to throw it all the way to Africa?
Why I throw it all the way?
Because there's some of our fans are there.
No, I'm saying.
You just said, if any of you lot want to challenge me, yeah, in Burton-on-Trent.
No, I'm about challenge what I've said. It's like people I went to school with.
Oh, okay. Can you explain better next time?
Well, I thought I knew what. I kind of got it.
Yeah, we've been shopping today anyway. Food shopping.
I love how random my mum is. You know, it's not just on here she does this, yeah? It's in real life. This is real life. But I mean,
Yeah, but listen.
so like we'll be talking in general, yeah? And she'll actually say, what's that, yeah? She'll be like, we'll have a full-blown conversation. This shit. Anyway, when did this say? What's that? What?
Yeah, but I just wanted to say, Misha, that we went to food shopping today, and even though we had masks on, obviously, the gentleman that came up to us, and he was loving our, what we're doing on here.
His name,
Can you remember?
Mason, it was Mason something.
Is that not what I work for? Or what's that his company?
Yeah, but that's what he's subscribing there. I'm
So-
going to tell you right now.
We'd like to give a big shout out to you, and thank you for recognising us. Well,
Thank
next
you-
time you
but
see us, I
but
want
thank
you
you
to
for
say
approaching
this.
us.
Yeah, thank you, yeah. You know what I mean? So next time you see us, I want you to say, yo, what you saying? Anybody that watches us, please, when you see me and Misha together, do that. Innit, Misha?
Yeah, innit? That'd be like.
That'd be like,
ultimate.
that'd be lovely, wouldn't it?
I can't find. We got an extra subscriber though. But yeah, it was amazing. I'll put your name at the bottom, like just to give you a shout out. So thank you for that. But yeah,
We're getting better followers now, aren't we?
yeah, it's good. Well,
No.
you know what's nice though? Like the gentleman from today. Now a lot of people, you will see you but won't say anything.
Yeah.
Excuse me, but you saw us and said something.
Yeah.
I mean,
What?
so nice.
What?
That.
What?
You're feeling your mind.
Yeah, it's lovely, thank
I'm having a
you.
minute
It's better than that pizza. No, I would absolutely love to come on here, Misha, and just eat and not say nothing. I would. You know why?
Why?
I have to eat your mouth.
Wow.
Huh?
Well, let's try it for a minute. No, 30 seconds. Minute's too long.
It's 30 seconds up, yeah. Huh?
So you can't do it anyway.
So, how the hell do you play these?
Let's just that in it.
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Look at your face on there.
Okay, look.
I don't like
It's not
balls.
your fucking teeth, though.
I don't like balls in my face.
Did you actually say that, Misha? Loud.
I don't want. Who wants balls in the face?
Misha? No, no.
That's nasty.
Nah,
Innit?
No.
Oh
You
my
let
god,
me
you
this?
let me down.
Why? I didn't add any sauce to it, Misha. Like, I just told
No,
you.
I'm not on about that. Where's the eggs at, fam?
I didn't want to do any.
Joe, I've been starving today, you know.
No, you haven't done Misha. You don't know the meaning.
Okay, sorry, I've been hungry, you know.
Right, so we've got, what do you call it? Tiddlywinks.
Ooh.
Right, tiddlywinks.
What do you say, bro?
So after we finish with these games, if there's anybody out there, you know, with kids that want them, you can have them, yeah?
Yeah, comment on below, and
Yeah.
we'll send them over.
Yeah.
But if you live far, you know, you better be ready to play, post some pack, and Jacob.
How do you play this?
So, you guys can't even see me if you drink out the way, man. So,
You have to be careful.
no,
Yeah,
so-
I do apologise
What I'm gonna
for
do-
the
hold on,
stationery at the
hold
back
on,
of us.
hold on, I'm gonna move
It's
some
all the
things down
work
now.
that we're doing.
so you can sit on the table. Sit there. So, I think you have that one. No, you want red in it.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
And then,
Just
what we do,
Yeah.
it must be this.
Do you have to do the tiddlywinks? Don't you have to get them in there? Like in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but do you
We
do it
have
on the
these.
box or do you do it on the...
No, so you do this.
At least I've got nails, I haven't got time.
Uh-huh.
Well, that
that's
they get
shocking.
nowhere.
Go another one, go another one.
Oh God, who's got time for this game? I think he's getting my dinner actually. Yeah, one to me. Reset, no, that game's over.
That game's
No,
long. That game's long.
So, please, if your child wants this, they can have it. You just opened it, you can have it, it's yours. Get the jacks out.
Huh?
Get the jacks out.
Can I eat?
Yeah, you can eat me some, just get the jacks out.
Hold on,
okay? That game is, you can have patience for, and I have not got that. So this game, I love this game at school.
Man, do you know, you didn't even open that. Can I open
No,
it?
don't open it, Michelle.
I won't,
No,
I won't.
we'll have it tomorrow.
Ah.
Yeah, open that. You don't even eat your pizza. For somebody who's hungry, you're not eating. It's going very far away, darling.
So you done? Can you not see what I've got on my plate?
Can you real? All day.
Jeez, nice.
Like, this game I used to love, but I didn't have nails in them days. I was a child. Yeah, man. So, how do you play again?
Let me bounce the ball and pick them up.
Yeah, but you have to pick one up first.
Pick one jack up.
You need to bend that down a bit further, me.
Wait, hold on.
That.
Hold on. The basis of each is to throw the ball into the air
Yeah.
and catch it again. After agreed moves have been made with the jacks, put all the jacks on the ground, throw the ball into the air and pick up 2 jacks. Then 3, then 4, and so on. A player's turn ends if they drop the ball. Or if you're playing the easy
Yeah,
version of the game, it allows you to bounce
no, I
forward.
remember. I bought it as one at a time, but go put that down.
I'm eating it.
So watch, right?
Yeah, you gotta
it's
throw it in the air, catch it,
Yeah.
and you gotta pick 2 jacks up. Wait.
Oh, okay.
And
Wow! Well, that was shit. Yeah, you'll go. No, don't put them together, Lucy. That's how it works. Kids.
right.
With the same hand, you idiot!
Yeah.
You bloody cheat! Ready? Watch me do this now. I got 3.
No, come on, now you.
Go on then, your turn.
I'm in my dinner. I'm gonna roll my sleeves up. Wait.
No.
Fuck off. This game's hard. Leave it on the floor. I mean, you nearly bites the ball into my dinner.
So that's how Jacks is played. And that's all we got. You know what? I ordered a cradle. Is it cradle? Just cradle.
Cat's cradle.
Cat's cradle, because that's our
Is it
favourite.
cat's cradle or cat's cradle?
See, I'm bending down now.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I ordered cat's cradle. You, who live near us, or in England anywhere, send us some games to play.
Yeah, innit?
Yeah, me, send us your games, but obviously nothing violent, nothing like that, proper things, yeah? So anyway, it was lovely to be with you tonight. Watch Misha make pizza. Myself and Misha do a pizza, what she's eating tonight. And we'll see you for the next one, and the next one is going to be really stupid.
I might add a clip in this, yeah. And me and Mum actually playing these games properly, but I'm on
Yeah.
the floor in the front room.
No, she won't. She's not mine, she will do, okay?
Okay, I will do. And what we're gonna do, yeah, is going back to how it was before. Team Misha or Team Trish Caress.
God. Can we do biscuits, but not crackers? Can we do other biscuits?
What are you on about? I'm on about doing the Jacks game.
Yeah, but see, Misha, yeah, but if we can do that, we're going to do more than one.
Yeah,
thing.
obviously, but I'm saying, no, but for this video,
Yeah.
who do you think is going to win Jacks? Team Misha
Yeah.
or Team Trisha Caress?
Team Trish.
Team Misha.
It's team.
Write down in the
Trish all
comments
way.
who you vote for. I'll put a poll up on Facebook and a poll up on Instagram as well. So yeah.
Is that just for Jacks or for all of them?
No, just for them games, for this video.
Okay then. Alright. So we're going to say right now, hiya.
See ya!
Bye.
Bye!
You say you twat.